Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. Have you ever wondered how to build a fully functional human bird trap using nothing but simple household items? Well, today we are looking at this incredibly clever and unique DIY cardboard trap designed specifically for catching small birds like quails and partridges. As you can see, the setup looks fairly simple from the outside, just an empty energy drink cardboard box, but don't let that fool you. The engineering behind it is absolutely brilliant. The creator is using standard rubber bands attached to cardboard flaps to create a spring loaded trapdoor mechanism. By adjusting the tension, these doors can shut in the blink of an eye the moment they are triggered. Now, coming towards the setting up the trigger and bed. Now, let's talk about the trigger. To make this trap work automatically without anyone needing to pull a string, the creator installs a very sensitive cardboard pressure plate right at the entrance. He uses a small stick to prop the main door, balancing it perfectly so that even the slightest weight will set it off. But of course, a trap is nothing without the right bath. To lure the birds in, he is generally scattering grains and bird feed all around the entrance, leading a trail right into the trapdoors. Birds have sharp eyesight for food, and a free meal like this is almost impossible for them to resist. Now we are going towards the first catch, and here we go. Within a few minutes of setting it up, we have our first visitors, two beautiful quills approach the cardboard structure. At first, they are a bit cautious, as wild birds naturally are, pecking at the grain on the outside, but slowly but surely they follow the trail of food. Watch closely as the first quail steps onto the platform. Boom! The spring loaded flap instantly shut behind it. Now, coming towards the double action. It doesn't take long for curiosity and hunger to take over again. The second quail returns, completely oblivious to its friends trapped after a cardboard wall away. It steps onto the circular plate on the right side, and that just like that, the second door drops down smoothly. What makes this DIY so impressive is its multi-chamber system. It allows you to catch multiple birds independently without any trigger, ruining the chance for the others. Now, coming towards the conclusion and safety note. And there you have it, a highly effective, low cost, and completely human way to capture small birds. No sharp edges, no dangerous chemicals should be used, just pure creative engineering. At the end of the video, you can see the creator resetting the mechanism with a different box style, showing just how versatile this concept can be. If you enjoyed this video, watching this clever build, don't forget to hit that like button, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more fascinating DIY projects. See you in the next one. Thank you.